Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe it as it really means a world to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the very famous, trustworthy and old brand which I am aware of, and that is none other than Pond's. So I've been introduced with this brand when I was a child, and my grandmother told me about this brand. And first time when I've used it, it was a powder or a talcum powder, and I absolutely love it that time because my skin was always oily, and I was like, oh my god, this is a holy grail product for me now. But now over the ages, they have come up with several things from skincare, creams to moisturizer. So they are just expanding every day, and so you can understand that my faith has been inherited and it's in my gene now. So without any further blabbering now, let's jump into the video. I'm going to talk about the facial kit which they have recently introduced, and this is the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit for spotless bright skin, and this is the home facial kit. And the next one is this Pond's Charcoal Anti-Pollution Facial Kit, and this helps to remove dullness, which I'll talk about later. So these are the facial kits, these are the little facial kits, and I absolutely love facial kit because of several reasons. So first of all, when it's a situation of lockdown and when you're not allowed to step out, especially not to the parlor, so at this time this has become a miraculous thing for me and my skin, and I have tried this product long back, I guess 15 days back when I received it, and it's absolutely amazing. I don't have enough words. Now let me tell you why it is amazing, what exactly going to do on your face. So I've tried several brands and the results are like, okay, fine, I can still adjust, but this time the result which it is giving is just fantastic. My skin started shining like a diamond just because see, when you're not able to step out, you're not able to go to parlor for having that proper skin treatment, and when you're getting the same thing in just 300 rupees, isn't that worth it, right? And for all those who are going to be bright this season, they can definitely try because it's going to enhance your skin. It's just going to give you brightness, it's just going to give you glow over your face. And this is the brightness kit from Pond's, now which I'm talking about. So the first step which you have to do is this. So the first step is this cleansing, and this is the Pond's cleanser. Isn't it very cute? So I found it really cute. It is very travel friendly. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's very travel friendly. So when you are traveling to anywhere, you can carry it. So the simple way to apply this cleanser is take some amount, apply on your face for 2 to 3 minutes in a circular motion, and then your skin, all the dead cells or the impurities will get removed from your face. So your face will look brighten up instantly within few seconds. Next up is this scrub, and again the size is really cute. I absolutely love these cute little things, and this is a scrub, and the best part about the numbering as well. So they have mentioned all the numbers over here, and this is a scrub in which you will find some granules, so you can scrub it properly, and again it's going to boost all the radiance on your face. So the facial used to be done at parlor also, and this is how your skincare results should also be. So first cleansing, scrubbing, toning. So I have found few granules, small granules. Let me show you. And yeah, the smell is awesome. So you can see the smell is awesome. Like literally, I love the smell. So I have taken few amount as well. Now I'm going to apply it with my hand. The next up is this nourishing cream. So now when your skin is dry after cleansing and scrubbing, you need moisturization, right? And especially in this winter season, moisturizer is a must. So this is the third one, and I found it really hydrating to my skin. When I applied it, my skin was like, okay, fine, now my skin is relaxed from all this torture which I have done by applying this scrub. And the next up is this massage cream. So again, you have to give some time. Here is written you have to give 10 to 15 minutes, just massage it circularly, and the entire process will hardly take half an hour or 1 hour. That's it, 45 minutes, and you are sorted for any wedding, any party or anything. And the last but not the least, and this is the Pond's face mask, and again you have to keep this face mask for 10 to 15 minutes. In the same way, after removing all these things, this is the finishing cream, and you just have to apply gently all over your face and just leave it. Don't wash it off, just leave it. And after that, believe me guys, when I have tried it, it was just radiating. It was just like a bulb on my face. So I absolutely love it, and just 300 rupees. I totally prefer it. And when it comes to trust, because skincare is something which you have to be particular about, right? And my skin is super sensitive, super oily and super acne prone, so I have to take special care about it, and that is the reason I pick my things very selectively. So this is all about the Pond's brightening kit. So when you guys are suffering with uneven skin tone, even if you are wearing sunscreen in a very nice quantity, you are exposed to tanning to a great extent. So it will reduce that, it will reduce the spot if you are contributing, and this package is sufficient to run over a month. I am a skincare lover, so I used to apply everything whenever I feel like my skin is not performing well and I need to give some foods to my skin, and when I feel that I need to give some food to my skin, and that is the time when I am on for all the skincares. Now the next up is this. This is the Pond's Charcoal Anti-Pollution Facial Kit, and this one again costs for rupees 300. So 300 for these little babies are worth trying. So again, it follows the same pattern. It follows with the face wash. First, charcoal. Now let me tell you about charcoal. So charcoal is basically something which is meant to extract all the pollution out of your face, all the impurities out of it, because it has some, that you have heard about the activated charcoal. So this is how it's going to work. It is going to bring all the impurities out of your skin. First of all to the superficial layer, and then it's going to extract all the impurities. It's going to remove all the blackheads as well. So what is the difference between this brightening and this charcoal? Now let me tell you these things very clearly. Brightening is meant to just glow up your face, and this one again costs for rupees 300. It follows the same pattern as that previous one. So it follows with the first fair face wash, then second is the scrub, third one is the nourishing cream again, and then the fourth one is the massage cream, and fifth one is the peel off mask, which is different from the last one, and then the finishing cream. So you have to just apply this face wash again, take some quantity, apply in a circular motion, keep it for 2 or 3 minutes, and then wash it off. The next one is this scrub. You have to follow the same way. Don't be harsh on your skin, be gentle, because it has got some granules which is very mild. It's not going to be harsh on your face. The third one is going to be this nourishing cream. Again, after all those harsh after all those torture like scrubbing and cleaning, your skin needs some moisturization and nourishment. For that, this is the nourishing cream, and this is the peel off mask. This is how it looks like. It's again very cute. And the last one is this finishing cream. So now what is the difference between the charcoal and the brightening kit? So if you want to look instantly bright, now if you're going for a party or if you're going to be a bride this season, you can try this glowing face wash. You can try this brightening facial kit. But if at all your skin is prone to dirt, if your skin is just breaking out, if your skin is having suntan issue, if your skin is having spots, you can try this activated charcoal, because activated charcoal plays very essential role in your skin care, because it just take all the pollution out of your face, because it's really good for your skin. It just bring all the pollution, all the dirt to the superficial layer of your skin, and then you can just wash it off. It's all gone. I have tried multiple charcoal face wash, charcoal face pack, which is a little bit tinging to my face, but this time it's not like that. Yeah, it has some kind of tinging sensation, but that's absolutely okay on your face. So with this, I'm wrapping up my video. If you have any comment, queries, please do let me know. I would love to respond. Till then, take care guys. I will see you guys in the next one.